Good afternoon, hello everybody. Today we will discuss about the functions and linear graphs. So very first I would like to discuss about the topic, as your topic is functions and linear graphs. So the very first thing, what is a function? Function mean relations. It's a relation between the two variables or more than two variables. So simply, what's a function? It's an event or it's a relation or the variable which showing relations between two values. A relation between two variables. Like if you are given an equation y is equal to 3x, so over here y and 3x, they are presenting a relation between each other. Suppose we can simply say y is equal to 3 times of x. So simply function will show a relation between two variables or more than two variables. So y is equal to 3x, that's mean if we just utilize if x is equal to 1, so what will be the value of y? Is 3 times 1, so y is equal to 3. That's mean if we have 1, whatever the value of x we have, y will be 3 times of it. If we just utilize the table x and y, if x is 1, y will be 3. If x is 2, so 2 times 3, as y is 3 times of x, so 2 times of 3 is 6. Similarly, if x is 4, y will be 3 times of 4. So 3 times of 4 is 1, this is 12. So this is how an equation show a relationship between two variables. Equations might be of any way, suppose y is equal to 2x minus 5. So this is also presenting a relationship. So this is called a function. Function means equations are simply relations between two variables. And the second is graph. This is basically starting from here, linear, meaning a straight line, graph of a straight line. When you just want to draw a straight line on a graph, that means a straight line, drawing of a straight line on a graph. And if you want to draw a straight line of a graph, you need the coordinates. You need the coordinates of the grid. So over here, what is a grid? Grid means basically for the grids we have two axes, whether it's x-axis, so positive and negative side, and y-axis, a positive y and positive and negative y. So grid, we need this grid to present the linear graph. According to the grid, this is confirmed, so we need two coordinates, whether x coordinate or y coordinate, to draw a straight line. Secondly, if we just want to draw a line, we need 2 points. Minimum 2 points will be required to draw a line, and more than 2 points, more than 2 we can have also. So straight line, now we can draw a straight line. Suppose we are given few coordinates, 6 and 4, 6 and minus 4, minus 6 and 4, and then minus 6 and minus 4. So we are given these 4 coordinates. These coordinates indicate something. The first coordinate, in this coordinate, the first value representing the place of x, second value represents the place of y. Similarly, this is x and y, x and y, x and y. And now the next thing is that how we can plot these numbers over here. So labeling it, it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 is the positive side of x, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Other we have the negative side of x is minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, minus 6. Depends on what highest number we are required for x coordinate or for y coordinate. So y coordinate is maximum 4. So 1, 2, 3 and 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Similarly, it's a negative 1, negative 2, negative 3 and negative 4. How we can plot these points on a grid? The very first point is over here. 6 and 4. So 6 is indicating x. On x-axis we are going to have this point x. On y-axis we are going to have 4. So draw a line on this one. A vertical line which intersecting x is 6 and a horizontal line which will intersect y and 4. where these vertical and horizontal line intersect each other. That is your first point, which means 6 and 4. 6 and 4, this is your point A, lies over here on the grid. Next, 6 and minus 4, x is 6, that is a vertical line indicating it's a minus, the line for the 6, whereas x is equal to 6 and minus 4 is over here. And this is your second point, which is point B. Now similarly, it's a negative 6 and positive 4. X is minus 6. So this is x is minus 6. Just draw the line for x is minus 6 over here. And y is positive 4. So it's a line for positive 4. So this is your C point for the grid. It's point C. And finally, last point is minus 6 and minus 4. It will be in the last quadrant where x is negative, y is negative, x is negative 6, y is negative 4. So this is your fourth point. This is the way how we can plot any of the number on a grid with the help of the given coordinates. You can join these points to get the shape. And what shape is this? This normally every four-sided figure is called a quadrilateral, a four-sided figure. But as this one is a specific shape, its length and breadth we are given, so we can say this is a rectangle. If any four-sided figure, if you are given any four-sided figure and you join the points and you get any four-sided figure whose dimensions are different, whose all four dimensions are different, so you can simply say this is a quadrilateral, because every four-sided figure is called a quadrilateral also. Simply it's a general name for every four-sided figure. So this is the way how we can plot any coordinates, any values for x and y on a grid and join them together. So right now your questions are related to this one, that how we can utilize the graph. And secondly, one more thing, when we are utilizing the grid, these gaps, this indicates 1 centimeter, and sometimes you are given a unit, and unit is suppose 1 centimeter is equal to 3 units. So that means what? After 1 centimeter you have to write 3, then 6, then 9 and so on. That is a scale which we have to follow for the grid. If that is given, if not given, it's over to us whatever scale we follow. That will be according to the values which were given in the ordered pair. So thank you so much for regarding the functions and linear graphs. So see you tomorrow.